So people, as you can see, I'm indoor and it's getting a little nippy outside, the beautiful part of Canada. So here I am indoor, and then one of the other reasons I came indoors because it's a little dry. I realize I've been neglecting my pistols, so figured time to get back practicing on my pistols. I've had so much fun outdoors with my Kodiak, my Crusader, my Type 81 that took me so long to get it where I wanted. I finally got it where I wanted it, so I'm pleased. I'm not done with them, but I decided let me take today and work on my pistol skills. So today I brought my favorite, absolute favorite. This is Glockzilla with Gorilla Grip Tape, as you can see. Makes a big difference. So I'm gonna work on some, oh, gotta get my mags. Yeah, time to work and see how my skills have, whether faded or stayed the same. That was heavy, but let's see. Let's see. Start 5 yards. Start real slow, real close. Don't want to forget these when you're indoors. Outdoors, you can get away with it. Indoors, no. And I wanted to say, the reason I didn't post anything last week, me and my brother G, we went hunting. It was a cool experience. We didn't get anything, but it was a cool experience. I've never done it. He's never done it. We went out there, trotted around the forest. Scary in the beginning. We didn't encounter anything, but that's a whole nother story. So today, here I am. Five yards. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, but that's 5 yards. Now we're going to stretch it out 10. 10. Or no, when we bring it back to 5, now we're going to work on the head. Let's see how many I can hit in the head. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 50, what do you call it? 50%, 5, miss 5. But I want to say, I think the 5 that I missed, man, this gun hurts the hand. So you start letting it go after a while, but I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased with that. We're going to stretch it out 10 yards. We're going to go back to the torso. Actually, I changed the plan. I'm going to keep it at 5. I'm going to go for the head again. This time I'm going to man up for you ladies. Don't need nothing to less than. But I'm going to man up. Take my time. I want all 10 shots in the head. 5 yards, 10 millimeters. Take the pain. No pain, no gain. have to say ouch. I don't know what it is. Man, my hands are extra sensitive. My hands are extra sensitive. That was hurting. Woo. I didn't man up, I babied up. I missed one. Technically not a miss, but not where I was going for. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was horrible. But like I said, and maybe making excuses. Look, these are the first ones. There's 2 here, so that's 3. And I think as the pain started to increase, I started to stray. Man, I've never experienced this before, but that 10 millimeters kicking, man. Can you see that? Man, that's hurting. And it's not the Gorilla Grip tapes because my hand's here. You see that? So my hand's here. Man, that's hurting. You got high up on that beaver tail with that 10 millimeter. Woo-wee. Okay. Maybe it's because I'm cold. I don't know, all my excuses. Man, that hurts. We're going to change paper. We're going to go down to 10 yards. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Wow, somebody's hitting something heavy over there. I reloaded, changed the paper. Now we're going to stretch out to 10 yards. Hopefully my hand is toughening up. Let's get you a little more over here. Ooh, 10 yards seems far. So I want to be able to see the paper too. And you see the thing why I gotta practice with my pistol. With the rifle, I can hit 50 yards, no problem. With some little effort, little focus, I could get out to 100. My goal is to stretch out to 200. One day I'm gonna do that. When I'm at show shoot, stretch out to 200. But with my pistol, let's see how 10 yards does. And then, depending on how that goes, we stretch it out to 50. But we're gonna go 10 yards, we're going for torso. I would say not bad, but not what I was going for. Got one to the head. See, I wasn't going for that. Missed one, missed 2. The rest of these, this is the area I was going for. So this is where I achieved my goal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then missed those 2. I want to bring it up right around here. My hands feeling a little better. Toughening up. We're gonna try that over again. All right, back at 10 yards. We're gonna try to focus a little more. Did that hurt? Man, that actually scared the lights out of me. I thought something was wrong. That first crack in the ears. So let's see what we got. See? See? Now, I'm a little bit more pleased with that. Straight with these two, because that's not where I was aiming for. But it's exactly what I'm telling you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm pleased with that. Can you hear that? What is that over there? What is that? So I'm pleased with that. That's 10 yards. That's 10 yards. I'm gonna stretch it out to 15. What is going on? Okay, stretched it out to 15 yards. That looks so far. Wow, whatever that person is shooting over there, I'm gonna go take a look. Wow, that's a pistol. I don't know caliber, but it's heavy. So I stretch it out to 15 yards. That seems far, BC. That's what I don't want. I want to be so good, 25 yards, no problem. But baby steps, baby steps. My grandmother would say, Rome wasn't built in one day, you know, with a Jamaican accent. Okay, 15 yards, 15 yards. Yards. Not sure where a lot of my bullets went. We got 1, we got 3, 4, 5. So did I completely miss 5? Oh, got 1 here. Bullseye, look at that. 6. So 4 unaccounted for. But I have to say, practicing with the 10mm Glockzilla, the good part about that is anything less, meaning 45, 9mm, it only gets easier, better. People, kaboom.